This is Nick with Build Brothers Roofing. Started my digital inspection at 4348 Boston Avenue out here in San Diego. We are on top of an older 3-tab shingle roof. I'm going to point out a few things that I noticed right off the bat. Obviously, we're going to have some solar panels that we are going to have to deal with. We have a total of 12 solar panels that are on this roof. And unfortunately, they installed these solar panels on a very aged roof. You know, when the product gets to be at this point of its lifespan, it's a really good idea to re-roof before the solar panels get put on. I'm not sure how long ago these panels were put on, but again, I want to point a few things out. So first things first is the amount of granule loss that we have on this 3-tab shingle roof. So we can see just how worn out all these shingles are, and you can see how all those granules are completely depleted. You'll also notice all the shiny stuff. That's all the fiberglass. So essentially what's happening, or what has happened, is the oils on this 3-tab shingle product have began to evaporate. And as those oils evaporate, the granules start to deplete, and you can see how shiny everything is. As the granules deplete, they wash off, and all that fiberglass is exposed, and the product becomes greatly affected as far as the waterproofing goes at that point. You can also see just how thin and how loose this product is. This stuff is paper thin right now. So again, the waterproofing, as far as the shingle goes, is almost, it's not really doing anything at this point. The other thing you'll notice is that we don't have standard ridge caps on this roof. They went ahead and just cut out pieces of shingles. You can see all the damaged shingles that we have throughout the roof as well. All these shingles have been tore off because of the wind. Same thing over here. This stuff is just hanging on for dear life, and obviously we've had some repairs as well. You can see that the majority of the penetrations have just had like a bunch of mastic and other types of coating just smeared on it, layer after layer. Over time, that stuff is going to start to fail as well. So based off the condition of this roof, based off of the condition of the shingle product itself, I am going to recommend re-roofing this. I'm not sure how much life this roof has left in it. I know hopefully it'll make it through this this next rainy season that comes up. But this roof is in rough shape and is in need of a replacement. So what I would like to do is tear this roof off. We're obviously going to remove these solar panels. We have in-house solar crews to do that. We do it on a majority of our roofs out here in San Diego. More emission shingles down here as well. So once those panels come off, we're going to go ahead and tear this roof down to the wood decking. Once we get down to the decking, that'll allow us to address any kind of bad wood that is on this property. We'll go ahead and swap out any of that bad wood with new wood. We want to make sure that our nails are going to be able to stick into the new wood to properly waterproof the roof itself. Once that new wood is installed, then we'll go ahead and reapply a new layer of synthetic underlayment. Right now you have a layer of felt underlayment that is under this roof. The synthetic underlayment is part of the Owens Corning roofing system. We are an Owens Corning preferred contractor. That means that this roof will come with a 50-year warranty from Owens Corning to go along with a 10-year workmanship warranty from us. We will add brand new drip edge along the entire perimeter of the roof. Drip edge is this piece of metal that hangs off the edge. It helps protect the wood. We'll add starter shingle along the entire perimeter as well, and then the architectural shingle gets installed after that. We'll go ahead and reflash and reseal each and every one of these penetrations. I'm going to get rid of these whirlybirds. I want to add some O'Hagan exhaust vents to this roof as well. I want there to be a total of 4 exhaust vents on this roof. Right now we only have 1. I want to ensure that the roofing product is properly ventilated so that all the warranties will be upheld as well. That is it for my inspection.